Hey everyone, Ramel here, and today I'll be doing a quick unboxing and giving you guys my initial impressions on this UPlay kit. This is something I picked up to kind of give my videos a little bit more color. I was kind of torn between getting the RGB LED tubes or this, and it just so happened that it was on sale on Amazon, and I do have a U hub already, so I decided to go and get it. This retails for about $160 Canadian without the hub, and with the hub it goes for $200. I got it on sale for $124 Canadian. Each individual RGB LED tube was about $100, so I decided might as well go for the UPlay kit since I already have the hub. The only downsides right off the bat was that it did require to be plugged in all the time, and I do need to use the U app if I want to control the lights, but seeing as I make most of my videos in this room anyway, that's not going to be that big of a deal. I did test it and I can move the lights around pretty much anywhere in the room without running out of cable. Let's get to the unboxing. Inside the box, you have two of the light bars. You have the stands for the vertical and the horizontal orientation, as long as some of this 3M adhesive. This is meant for you to stick behind your monitor or TV. You can use it to sync up with the content being displayed to give you a more immersive experience. For me, since I do have this acoustic paneling behind my monitors, it absorbs pretty much any light that it can emit. So I have it just set up to light the back of my videos as well as my stream. The setup of this is really straightforward. If you have the hub, all you have to do is plug each of these light bars into the power adapter, and once you have them plugged into the power adapter, you plug the power adapter to the wall. The hub should pick it up, and to sync it with your app, you go open your U app, you go into settings, and you go to light setup, you add lights, and then you search. Once your app is done searching, these should show up as UPlay 1 and UPlay 2, and you have the option to rename them. To add them to the room, all you have to do is go into that room, so go back to home, click the room, go click the three dots on the top right, and you want to edit room or move lights. And from here, all you have to do is select the UPlay 1 and UPlay 2, and then you're good to go. Once those are added, you can control and change the colors of the lights. And once these are set up, you can have them sync to your room, change the colors, have them sync with different light bulbs, install the U app on your desktop and have it sync with the content there. As you can see, it is on right now behind me. I did want to do something there since my desktop is unfortunately on the floor. My wife and daughter did make that little flower behind, but I do need a lot more of that to really cover the walls. So for now, I'm going to use this UPlay kit. And that's one of the cons of this, is that it's not as bright as I thought it would be. I thought that this would be bright enough to kind of give a little bit more fill, but you can see that this is full blast right now and you can't really tell that it's on. It's very faint and it does add some color, but I was hoping it would give off a lot more. But what this does really shine in, and what I do really enjoy using it for, is these product shots. I did a couple of tests with them and they look pretty awesome, so I'm really excited to see what I can do with these lights in terms of using them for the mice reviews as well as everything else. I feel like that's going to give my videos a new dimension, and hopefully I can use them in a cool way, but we'll see what I can do with them in later videos. Right now, you'll see it mostly behind me in my videos or on my stream. Anyways, that's going to be it for me this week. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And if you want to see more content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to just chat, I do have that Discord server, and I stream on Twitch every Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays from around 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. Pacific. That's when the baby's asleep. Anyways, that's going to be it for me. I'll see you guys on the next one. I am out.